How to fundraise for your nonprofit in the new year. In this video, we're sharing some simple ways to follow while fundraising for nonprofits. Make it easy for donors to support your nonprofit's work by having a secure, up-to-date, and on-brand donation page. A nonprofit fundraising page doesn't have to have a lot of elements and should be easy to set up. Offer a convenient text-giving option. Text to Give allows donors to make a donation to your cause simply by sending a text message with their mobile phones. Send out a fundraising letter to supporters. Mailing a fundraising letter is a classic way to raise money for a nonprofit. This is a traditional nonprofit fundraising method but still very effective. Launch a crowdfunding campaign. A crowdfunding campaign is great for projects you need money for on an urgent basis, such as a new facility, brand new equipment, mission trips, renovation work, etc. Host fundraising events and sell tickets. Nonprofit fundraising events provide an opportunity for donors and prospective supporters to engage with your cause. Peer-to-peer fundraising. Raising money for nonprofits can be more effective and efficient when your supporters help champion your cause. Turn donors into recurring donors. Recurring donations provide donor with an easy, hassle-free way to support causes they love. Weekly, monthly, yearly giving programs can provide sustainable income. Start a membership program. Membership ensures a predictable revenue for your organization, helps you create a loyal supporters base, and makes sure you're able to offer. Apply for a grant. Grants can be a highly effective way to raise money for a nonprofit. Grants are typically offered through government agencies, foundations, and corporations.